We'll see how to install Python for Mac OS or Windows. If you have Linux also, you can follow the same step. Okay. The installation process will differ, but you can go for downloading it. Okay. So you have to type download Python. So in my case, I have Mac OS. So I'm typing download Python for Mac OS. You can see the second one. You have to go inside this. And see, this is the latest version 3.1, 3.1. You can download it. And if you have Windows OS, you can go for this option. You can click on it and you can see download Windows installer 64-bit. You can click on it and it will be downloaded. So I already have installed. Okay. You can see here. Okay, I'm going to follow the process of installation, but before that, you can see Linux/Unix option is also there. If you have Linux system in your laptop, so you can just go for this one, this option. Okay. So let's go for the installation in Mac. You have to click on continue. So this is the readme. Okay, this is the license. You have to agree and then you have to continue. And here you have to select the installation location. So if you have particular installation location in your mind, you can just change it. Otherwise, you can go for default and click on the install option. So I already have installed the Python in my system. So I'm not going to install it again. But yeah, you can follow the same process. Okay. And after installation, you can check whether your Python is installed in your system or not. You can open your terminal or maybe CMD and you can type this command Python -version. So if Python is installed in your system, it will be visible here. After this command, you can see the version of your Python. Okay. So now the second thing, which IDE should you choose? Like which one is better for you? So in my case, I have installed PyCharm. So that is better because I've used for a long time. And you can go for VS Code also. That is better for and more compatible for any Python or maybe any other language projects. But yeah, in this case, I have used PyCharm. So this is the interface after the installation. So how to install it? Before that, let me show you. You can go and download PyCharm for maybe for Windows. In my case, it is Mac. All I have to do Mac OS. Okay. So, see, this is the JetBrains website. You have to go inside this, and here, set, and here you have to download the DFG file. If you have Windows, just you can backslash, or maybe here you can see the Windows option, and you can download the exe. If you have Linux, you can click on this option, and you have to download the tar file. Okay. After the installation, the interface will look like this in Mac. You have to click on new project. Here you have to type the name of your project, maybe dummy project I'll type here. Okay. And this is the virtual environment. The environment it will use to run actually. Okay. And this is the file location where all your Python file will be saved. And this is the base interpreter it is using. This is 3.11. Okay. You can choose if you have any other interpreter in your mind, you can choose it from here. But yeah, by default base interpreter is 3.11 for me. And here's the option to create a main.py welcome script. So you can just take it, you can tick mark it if you want the file main.py by default in your project, else you can skip it. So I want this main.py file to be created in my project. I've selected it. Now I'll click on the create option. So it will take some time to create and maybe minutes or seconds of time. So you can see installation and indexing is happening. So it is updating indexes. And after that, so this is the default boilerplate code PyCharm has provided me. Let's run this. Okay. So you can see, hi PyCharm. Okay. So that's it for this video. We'll see for the next.